na. Good day, everyone. I am Queen Tela Patricia L. Bungabong, running for the position of Public Information Officer or PIO. I will promise that I keep you informed by the school plans, activities, and achievements of every student here in Mariano. I'll make sure that the information is easy to understand, not confusing or boring. If you vote me as your next PIO, I'll do everything that I can to make our school, to keep our school much better. I'll make sure that and I'll make sure that you are in the loop and always, na-block ko na. And make sure that your voice always matters. Again, I am Queen Kayla Patricia L. Bungabong, running as your next Public Information Officer. Thank you. Oh!
Wala, naghang ka eh. Ayusin mo anak. Bakit naghahang? Naka-iPhone ka na,
Ulit.
naghahang ka pa.
Naglagay na internet.
Lalag ka. Wala.
Pero maganda na.
Oo, pasado na yun sa akin yun.
O, isa pa. Go na ba?
Ha?
Go na ba?
Ay, bakit napatay?